শেলিজ এডুকেশন সেন্টার। চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করুন এবং আমাদের সাথে যুক্ত থাকুন। Hello viewers, in our history class, I am going to discuss about some short questions. The chapter is Sources of Indian History. Number 1. What is the fundamental characteristic of the history of India? Answer. Unity in diversity is the fundamental characteristic of the history of India. Number 2. Who are the oldest inhabitants of the Indian subcontinent? Answer. The Dravidians are the oldest inhabitants of the Indian subcontinent. Number 3. What are the main sources of ancient Indian history? Answer. The sources of ancient Indian history are mainly divided in 6 heads. 5 are indigenous and 1 is foreign. These are: Number 1. Inscriptions or epigraphic evidence. Number 2. Coins or numismatic evidence. Number 3. Archaeological evidence, which includes monuments, buildings, and works of art. Number 4. Tradition, as recorded in literature. Number 5. Ancient historical writings. And number 6. The foreign sources consist almost exclusively of the account left by the foreigners. Number 4. What is the importance of the inscriptions as a source of history? Answer. Besides recording particular events, they give us a clue to the determination of their dates. Number 5. Whose inscriptions are most famous in ancient India? Answer. The most famous inscriptions are the edicts of Ashoka, which are of an exceptional nature and form a class by themselves. Number 6. What are the characteristics of the edicts of Ashoka the Great? Answer. The most important characteristic of the edicts Ashoka the Great are sermons on Dhamma, or the law of pity. Number 7. What are the chief sources of the history of the Bactrian, Indo-Greek, and Indo-Parthian dynasties? Answer. Coins. Number 8. What is the special value of coins as a source of historical information? Answer. Coins help us to reconstruct the dynastic list, to have an idea of the extent of the empire, and to gather information of economic conditions of the country. Number 9. How does archaeological evidence help to reconstruct history? Answer. A scientific examination of buildings, monuments, and works of art throws much light on the social and religious conditions prevailing in ancient time. Often, we get very valuable proof of that by careful examination of the stratification of the ruins of ancient sites. Number 10. What is the most important source of the Indian history of the pre-Mauryan period? Answer. Tradition, as recorded in Indian literature, constitutes our chief source of knowledge of the pre-Mauryan period, extending from 650 to 326 BC। এই ছিল 10টা ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রশ্ন তোমাদের জন্য। মন দিয়ে সবগুলোই তোমরা পড়ো, তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই সবকটা প্রশ্নই বুঝতে পারবে। ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। আপনি আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন হলে প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করুন। সব সময় আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ।